In this video, I'm going to be disassembling this 2019 Nissan Altima Halogen headlight. I will begin by cutting off the rest of the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. Here we can see that the front bezel is plastic welded into place and is not held in place with screws. It will not be easy to remove and replace the front bezel. Next, I'm going to loosen the top adjusting bolt for the projector mount. On the rear of the light, I'm going to turn this 5/16 inch adjusting bolt to the left until the projector mount is loose. Next, I'm going to pop off these two retainer clips and pull the projector mount forward. With the two bottom mounting clips removed and the top adjuster removed, we can now pull out the whole unit. There is nothing left inside of the housing. The reflector, the shroud, and the projector are all held to the bracket using T15 Torx screws. I will now remove all of the T15 Torx screws. The projector bracket is now empty. There are 4 Phillips head screws holding the projector together. The light is now completely disassembled. Here are the components from the light. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.